Jessie from the Swing Project, and in this video we're exploring variations for our 8-count Lindy Hop footwork. We're going to try a challenging variation with a syncopated rhythm and some cute kicks. Let's start by recapping our 8-count Lindy Hop footwork, beginning on the right foot. 5, 6, 5, 6, here we go. Step, step, triple, step, step with the counts. 1, 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. In our usual Lindy Hop footwork, we try to accent the ands before beats 4 and beat 8. Have a listen. 1, 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. That gives our dancing that lovely swung feeling as we try to echo the syncopation we hear in swing music. But we can put that same syncopation in other places of our footwork. Let me show you what I mean. Let's get up to beat 4 with our usual footwork. 5, 6, 5, 6, 7, 8. Step, step, triple step. At the end of beat 4, my weight is over my right leg, which means that my left leg is free. I'm going to kick on beat 5 with my left leg. 5. Then I'm going to spring onto that left foot and hit the and before beat 6 by kicking out my right leg. And. Then I'm going to spring onto that right foot and kick out with my left to hit the and before 7. And then I'm going to step onto that left foot and then tap my right foot for the beats and 8. And 8. Let's pop it all together, see if it makes more sense. 5, 6, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3 and 4, 5 and an 8. I'm making sure that that final and 8 is nice and springy so that I can carry on afterwards. Let's try it all together. 5, 6, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3 and 4, 5 and an 8. Let's try popping 2 of them together. 5, 6, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3 and 4, 5 and an 8. 1, 2, 3 and 4, 5 and an 8. This can feel a little tricky at first, but if you maintain that lovely Lindy pulse all the way through your body, that'll help you even though you're accenting unusual parts of the music. Let's give it a try with our 8-count Lindy Hop footwork. We'll do one basic and then pop in these variations. 5, 6, 5, 6, here we go. Step, step, triple, step, step, give it a try. 1, 2, 3 and 4, 5 and an 8. 1, 2, 3 and 4, 5 and an 8. 1, 2, 3 and 4, 5 and an 8. Accenting those 3 ands in a row can feel a little strange at first. Make sure you keep that lovely internal bounce all the way through to help you nail that rhythm.